Hello, hello, this is Rod, Live Within Your Means. And I wanted to talk today just a little bit about platinum. And here we've got a platinum bar, and this is something that has, I think, probably been a little bit neglected because as we've seen over on Kitco.com, we're going to go there in a second. By the way, this picture that I have is on MarketWatch.com. Let's make sure and give them credit. But this picture of platinum there on MarketWatch.com, wanted to be able to show you that because gold and silver have been going up quite a bit the last few weeks. They've gone up anywhere from 15 to 20 something percent. When we look at the gold, gold went down a little bit, 1/4% today. Silver went up by almost 1%. And what's interesting is the platinum that's been lagging behind is it went up. Actually, at one point it had gone up almost 5% when I looked earlier today, but it increased over 4% just today. And when we look at the history of these two, you'll notice that, oops, I want to get that up here. This is on Kitco.com, but a page that they've got here that shows these graphs over the last, almost close to 50 years since 1971, when it was legal again to buy larger quantities of gold and silver. We saw gold going up from 1971 clear up until when it peaked in about 1980, and it actually peaked and really got over $800 an ounce. But here the average was under $800 an ounce. Again, when it peaked after the crisis of 2008, it started going up, and it peaked again in, this is gold, excuse me, where the gold had peaked in about 2011. It was just under $2,000 an ounce, up around the $1,800 range, while platinum, which has a history of being priced higher than gold, you'll notice that back in 1980, when it hit its peak, it was pushing $900 an ounce. It was higher. When it was dragging along there for a lot of years, gold was down under $500 an ounce, and you'll notice that the platinum got up over $500 an ounce. And when it really peaked after the crisis of 2008, you'll notice that it peaked up over $2,000 an ounce, where the gold never did get that high. But I find it very interesting that that gold once again is, well, I don't know if I should say once again, but the price of gold is higher than that of the platinum right now. You can get platinum, look at that. You can get it for $900 an ounce compared to the $1,500 an ounce for gold. Boy, that is, I would imagine that may be one very good investment to make. And while it's still down significantly lower than the gold is. And anyhow, I can leave that with you right now, and I'll make another video to talk about advantages that I see that people could have in owning the platinum. This is Rod, Live Within Your Means.